guys, today I'm going to be playing Baldis Basics. So here it is. Education and learning. That's him. It is him. Keep an eye out, because it is him. So I will start collecting those notebooks. My mouse has been all funny. I don't know. Hi, Baldy. Yeah, no, I'm at your schoolhouse. 2, 2, 2, 0, 4. 10. Wow, I exist. I already knew that, but okay. I did great. I need to come here and get my prize. A shiny quarter. Click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. When you find something, you can use it on level 6, 5, 8, 21. Oh gosh. Why are you mad now? I don't get this. Little sleeping. Look at the No! No. No, Baldi's right there. Help. No! No, no. Hug me for all eternity. Please. Thank you. Okay. No, 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 no. Really? Why did he sound weird for a second? Doohickey? Get this notebook right here, I'll be you again. So